Welcome! In front of me is an HMD Barbie phone, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, let's just close it up and pull the back cover, which we can do so by just prying it off from the very bottom right here, like so. There we go. And as you can see, it comes off. Next, it looks like the battery or the trays are located under the battery, so you need to remove that. And from here, you can plop in your SD cards. Do so right now. Oh, this is coming in a little bit too hardly in there. Come on. There we go. It will be a nightmare to take it out by the looks of it, as there is a kind of like a retention plastic, and these are already kind of, hard to get it out of there. But anyway, I'll get to that when I need to remove the card. Now when it comes onto the SD card, you have this kind of like latching mechanism, so you want to just pull it down. You'll hear a click, and then you can just pull it upwards. And your SD card would kind of go like this, just loosely laying on here. Then you just use the mechanism, push it down, and then upwards to lock it back up. And that's all you need to do. Now we can pop in the battery and boot up the device.
Hi, Barbie.
And as you can see, it's telling me to enter my SIM card pin, so there we go, and that will unlock it. And obviously the SIM card is working, PIN code approved, and the SD card should be working as well, though I don't know if there's any kind of information about that right here. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.